Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make or complete a PMT for a simple interest loan using a spreadsheet. Alright, so you go to Excel over here, and basically you put the amount of the loan right here, the percentage of the annual interest rate, and the number of payments right here. And then the monthly payments is the PMT formula, which in my case was C2 divided by 12 and C3 and then negative C1, which is so. In order to get this, well, I'll create a splitter right here by just moving this down there, just so that way I could easily go up and down from these cells and keep this information right here where I could get to it easily. So to get this, the first part, well, the payments are the same throughout, $1,650.28, but the interest starts out as the balance times the annual interest rate divided by 12, which ended up being $725. So basically, to do that, I just click the formula button, or use this button, and I clicked on the balance with the star to do multiplication. Click on the interest rate, and then divide it by 12, and it gave me $725. For the next, for the principal, I just used the formula, and I did the payment minus the interest, and it gave me $925.28. So then to get you the balance left, which is whatever you owe, just click on that, click the formula button, and you want to do the balance. See, the balance minus the principal, and it gives you how much you or it shows you how much you owe. So basically just do that for every single one until you get to 0, or until you made your 120th payment. Now I was off by 35 cents. I think I might have set the currency too early. Maybe I'm not sure. I might have been better off setting it at the end in case the numbers rounded up, since I was using the currency. But I was off by 35 cents. So in order to answer the questions, the first question was, how much do you have left, do you owe after the 75th payment? So you go up here to 75, look all the way down here, and that's how much you owe after that payment has been made. Question number 2 was, how much total interest did you owe? And for this, I used the formula C9. Well, I just added up basically the whole C column. So in order to do that, click auto sum this, click this right there, then you scroll all the way up and hold shift and then click that, and you just press enter, and it should, yep, and that's how much interest you've paid. For the last question, it says, asked you how much money you would have saved if you if the bank offered you a 4.5 interest instead. So what you do is you go over here, you change the interest from 5.8% to 4.5%, and it changes all your numbers right here. And you see it has some negatives right here. So basically, you've made, after you make this payment, you've already paid it off. So basically what I did to get the formula, which actually I might have miscalculated, but to get this formula, I added up these payments right here, but since we only had $586.92 to pay off, just take that and subtract it by this cell to get Okay, I think it might have been off a little bit, but that's so. This is how much money you would have saved if the bank offered a 4.5 interest rate. All right, and that's how you make a PMT for the interest loan. Thank you.